So go to System Preferences, then write shortcut. You're gonna see keyboard shortcuts, and then you need to go to screenshots. You have screenshot and recording options. You can change also the shortcut for the keyboard to get access for that. After that, you have you can use it as only window like this, and you can use it by window, like let's say the file, the desktop, or that, and you can use all the window, like with all the windows and everything. Then you have the options where to save it. You can set a timer and other options, and that's it basically. You have it done, and then you press stop.